In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deposits in QuickBooks step by step, and it's all going to take just about 5 minutes. QuickBooks is an excellent tool for managing your finances, and knowing how to make deposits is crucial for keeping your books accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to the sign-in page for QuickBooks. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. After you're on the sign-in page, you'll see an option for QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on that. This will guide you to the main login screen where you'll need to type in your credentials. Enter your email or user ID and your password, then hit the continue button. This action will take you to your main QuickBooks dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're comfortably settled on the home page, your next step is to locate the new button. This is usually at the top left of the screen, and this button gives you access to various features QuickBooks offers. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appearing. From this drop-down, look for the option labelled Bank Deposit. Selecting this takes you to a new page where you'll be able to manage your deposits. Now that you're on the bank deposit page, you'll want to ensure that you select the correct bank account for these transactions. If you have multiple accounts, be very careful here to choose the right one, as it's integral to your financial tracking. If you haven't linked your bank accounts yet, there should be a prompt or option on the page allowing you to do so. Follow those instructions, and once it's set up, you'll see your bank account listed in the drop-down menu for selection. With your bank account selected, it's time to add the payments you want to include in this deposit. QuickBooks will typically display a list of transactions that are ready for deposit. Go through them and tick the boxes of any payments you want to group together into this deposit. This helps in keeping your transactions tidy and organized. Next, you will find an option to add any additional funds to this deposit. Where exactly should these funds be added? It typically depends on your transaction specifics, so make sure you're choosing the right category or customer account to reflect these funds accurately. With everything now compiled neatly, you're almost done. There will be an option at the bottom that says Save and New. Click on that. This saves your current work and readies your QuickBooks for any new entries you want to process. And remember, consistency is key, and by consistently using the Save and New function, you ensure no data is lost or goes untracked. Wrapping things up, head back to the main page of QuickBooks to continue with other tasks, or simply to review this recent entry you've made. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've effectively made a deposit in QuickBooks, strengthening your financial record keeping. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your books balanced and your business booming.